Driving is an essential part of our lives. On average, we drive 46 minutes in a day. Have you ever felt bored or tired on the road? Are you fed up with getting stuck in the middle of a traffic jam? Why don't we deserve a better driving experience? Today, Tracebird Smart Pillow is born here for your driving comfort. Having a unique and professional smart massage, FM function, phone answering function, and driving record system, Tracebird Smart Pillow can definitely offer you a cozy and relaxing driving state that everyone desires. What you need is to simply connect your smartphone with it. By just a click, you can activate the airbag system to adjust the thickness of the pillow in your own favor. Together with over 10 different modes of massage, Tracebird Smart Pillow provides you with the greatest comfort in the ride. Without a command, an automatic massage for every 30 minutes driving helps to get rid of all the fatigue. With the built-in FM transmitter, just feel free to broadcast your phone music on the car radio and enjoy it. You can pick up calls by lying gently on the pillow. Hands are still available on the steering wheel. You don't have to take your eyes off the road. You can also immediately share with your friend your driving route or location. Tell them where you are before they get angry.
In the previous 2 years, we have been working very hard for the product, aiming to provide users with the highest comfortability. We spare no pains to take every detail into account and make it with top quality. We do hope that users can feel our wholehearted effort when they use the pillow. There are several materials and colors for pillow selection. Pick one based on your preference. We need your support.
It's the ultimate combination of simplicity and ingenuity. The newest way to load, unload, and transport your ATV or UTV. The MadRamp's Pivoting Ramp System. Made in the USA and engineered for strength and durability. Maneuver through tight places and over rugged terrain with plenty of ground clearance. No licensing, no ongoing maintenance costs, and no storage hassles like trailers. Won't slip or move like conventional ramps. Free up more cargo space in the bed of your truck. Securely connects to your truck's receiver hitch. Easily extends for safe loading and unloading. Seamlessly retracts for highway and off-road travel. DOT approved in all 50 states and Canada. Quickly disconnects in under a minute. A unique space-saving storage system. The MadRamp's Pivoting Ramp System. Go farther. Go faster. Go safer. Go with MadRamps.
I've always been a gypsy. I've always loved the idea of traveling light. When I first experienced the teardrop trailer, I didn't really know what to expect, and I didn't think that I'd fall in love. By all means, I never expected it to be so comfortable. I feel like I'm cheating when I'm traveling in one of these teardrop trailers because it's so comfortable and warm. There's electricity, there's heating, there's a sound system. I have a Bose sound system, an all-inclusive kitchen with everything that I need. And it's really fascinating to watch people's reaction to the teardrop trailer, because I think everyone really wants the idea of comfort, like simple comfort like this. I think the appeal of such simple adventure, you don't have to think about anything, nothing's overcomplicated. The one word I would probably use to describe myself is freedom. I do everything around the idea of freedom because I don't like being stuck anywhere and I want to see what the unknown has on offer. But at the same time, I love luxury because I'm 28 and I don't want to be setting up tents. I don't want to be cold, but I hate hotels because they're so restrictive. You got to carry your luggage back and forth. You got to check in. They're expensive. If you want to change your mind last minute about where you want to go, you can't. Two reasons why I don't like spending too much fuel when I'm out there exploring is I don't want to really leave a big carbon footprint. You know, I'm exploring the world because I'm so fascinated by it. I don't want to just spend all this fuel and feel like I'm killing the world at the same time. And also money. I don't want to spend all this money when I'm going adventuring because that spoils the experience. Mink doesn't take that much fuel. It almost feels like there's nothing extra that we're spending on the fuel. Who would I recommend the Mink to? Anyone that loves adventuring but in a simple style. The Mink gives you the necessities, food and shelter, and then you have to find the rest outside of yourself. So like the outdoors is the extension of your living space, which I really love. Just to have a home on the road, no limits as to where you want to go, no time restraints. Large circular windows, slippers, pillows, doona ×2, music, USB port, sunroof, northern lights, stargazing, bunk bed for a child or your luggage, towel, shoe bucket, blinds, heating system, comfortable queen size mattress, mood lighting on point. Welcome to the kitchen. Gas, Bose sound system, salt and pepper, gas burner, chopping board turns into cooler with a drain hole, knives, water container, cleaning goods, tea party goods, plates and stuff, coffee maker, light, aerodynamic shape, solar panels, ventilation, Wi-Fi, GPS tracking. I think I'm done though.
Yeah, I'm done here.
Sweet, perfect timing. My boyfriend just finished the dishes. We can finish up this video. I hope you enjoyed. And yes, I would recommend the Mink Traveler to anyone that wants adventure and fun and not be restrained by hotels or camping and wants a bit of luxury in their lives.